Hi, my name is Mark McGranigan, and I'm a Vice President in charge of the Integrated Grid Research at the Electric Power Research Institute. And I just wanted to provide a little bit of an introduction on OpenDSS and a perspective from EPRI on this valuable tool. I'm very excited about the creation of the users group in Brazil for users of OpenDSS software, and I wanted to provide a little bit of background. OpenDSS stands for the Open Distribution System Simulator. It's the result of many years of development at McGraw-Edison, Electrotech Concepts, and EPRI. EPRI took responsibility for the software beginning in 2004, and we made it an open source tool in 2008. It was originally developed as a tool for evaluating issues with the integration of distributed generation. This was a tough problem for existing tools because you had all different generation sources around the distribution system, and it was hard for traditional power flow solvers to deal with that. So we developed a tool that is based on the nodal admittance matrix solution technique, which was traditionally used for harmonic analysis at the time, and developed a tool for general solution of distribution systems. So it could represent different architectures around the world, multi-phase systems, so you didn't have to use sequence components, and a very flexible tool to evaluate distribution systems, distributed generation, harmonics, multiple frequency solutions, and so on. And since we made it open source, it's continued to have more widespread application around the world. Researchers from universities and consultants and research organizations and utilities around the world have adopted it and share in the development of the tool so that it can be a valuable open source tool for researchers and other companies around the world. Some of the things it's used for continues to be very important for distributed generation, especially with the penetration of photovoltaics and wind, smart inverters. A very important category of research involves microgrids and distributed control systems that can be integrated with the management of the distribution system. There's a lot of emphasis on voltage optimization and new technologies that involve distributed controls. The load models are becoming very complex, and OpenDSS supports a variety of load models, and it's a great area for additional research. And its harmonics and power quality also become important. And as is the case in Brazil, it's a very valuable tool for looking at accurate evaluation of distribution system losses, and with the ability to analyze the losses over the entire year rather than just assuming peak or minimum load conditions. So the creation of the OpenDSS users group in Brazil is particularly exciting because it provides a point of contact for ongoing development and coordination in the future. And I just wanted to emphasize that at EPRI, we will continue to support the development of OpenDSS and make these developments open source in the future. For instance, we're working on a real-time version of OpenDSS that can be integrated with distribution management systems. That's a very exciting opportunity for coordination with researchers like the University of Sao Paulo. So that's I just wanted to be able to provide that initial background. And I want to thank Paulo and Celso and Professor Nelson Kagan for their valuable input to the OpenDSS development and evaluation and tools to help the users with the use of OpenDSS, and now creation of this users group. It's a very valuable opportunity for ongoing coordination. We're very excited about it. And the best of luck to everyone in the users group on sharing lessons learned and application issues and use cases and so on. So good luck with the meeting, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks a lot.